Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the update on SLP. In my earlier video, I was showing you that after the breakout from a descending triangle, the price in of SLP formed another falling wedge pattern above the resistance of that previous descending triangle. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you move to the live chart, then you can see that this was the wedge that SLP formed on this daily time frame chart. And here we broke down this wedge. And I was telling you that here we have a very long-term support zone from $0.0021 to $0.00185. Therefore, it will be really very difficult for the price and to break it down. And you can see that the price and tested the bottom of the support zone and geared up and re-entered the same falling wedge pattern. And after this spike, a new spike, it is now acting as a down channel, more likely to be a down channel rather than a falling wedge pattern. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, and this is another bounce. And the price is now trying to break out the resistance of this channel. And this was the descending triangle that we recently broke out. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump. And I would also like to show you a very massive breakout that is happened here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Zcash, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 6th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this are the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days of weeks, it is moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce here, rejection, rejection. Then we had recently another bounce. And we have also tested this very long-term support zone from $0.0021 and goes to $0.00185. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of October 2023, it is breaking at a very strong support zone. Before that, it was breaking at a resistance zone here and support zone here back in the month of December 2022 as well. And therefore now again it is breaking at a very nice support. Now, for example, if the price then will be once again rejected by the resistance of the channel, then it can once again test the bottom of the support line here at $0.0085. And it is also possible that slightly lower than this support line, we may also test the support of the channel here approximately at $0.0018. But in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel at $0.006. Now, if you take a look at the targets for the previous breakouts, you can see that we broke out this triangle. Then we had a very nice pump, but so far the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this triangle. And the technical target for the breakout from this triangle is, by the way, here. That is approximately at 1.2 cents. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.